Want to know how to enable notifications in Want to know how to disable notifications in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first thing first, to simply open up your Money Manager application. So you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, you can just simply sometimes see notifications on the configuration. So if you don't see it, what you can do is you can just simply exit your Money Manager application. Just simply hold on to it and select its app settings. So now once you're under its app settings, you can just simply scroll down and here should be saying notification. Now since we are disabling, just simply select disable right here. So you can just simply toggle off this and all of your notifications should be disabled just like this right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.